first stitch onto your right hand needle. This keeps the side of your knitting nice and straight and it won't roll in on itself. It's very useful when making scarves. The first stitch will get knitted or purled on the following row. Try to have a relaxed tension and don't strangle your needles. Keep your shoulders and your hands reasonably relaxed. Insert the point of your right hand needle into the next stitch on your left hand needle. Do this from the left hand side of the stitch, pushing it through to the right hand side of the same stitch. Needles will form a cross or an X-like shape in your hands. Now wrap the working yarn over the right hand needle, between the two needles. Gently maneuver the needles so the wrap over yarn forms a new stitch on the right hand needle. By carefully removing the knitted into stitch off the left hand needle, it becomes part of the knitted fabric. In, around, through, and off. That creates a new stitch. So in, around with the yarn, through the middle, and taking it off to make a new stitch. So in, around, in through the middle, making a new stitch, and off. In, around, through the middle, making a new stitch, and off. Keep practicing like this. Never be worried if you have to start over. Remember, it's just yarn. Enjoy your knitting.